In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on the Gumloop website and get started with creating your very first automation. Whether you're a newbie or experienced in automation, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to set up your workflow effectively. First things first, we need to head over to the Gumloop website. Once you're there, look for the register button, usually prominent on the homepage. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the registration page. Here, you'll be required to fill out some basic information to create your account. Make sure to choose a strong password and verify your email if prompted to ensure your account security. Congratulations! You're now registered and ready to dive into the world of automation with Gumloop. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your command center where all your workflows and automations come together. To start creating a new automation, look for the button labeled Create New Automation. It's typically displayed clearly on the dashboard to help you navigate quickly. Clicking on this will lead you to a setup page where the real fun begins. Here comes the exciting part, designing your automation workflow. The interface is user-friendly and it's built around a drag-and-drop system. You will see a variety of nodes, each representing different tasks or actions you can perform within your automation. Simply drag the nodes from the side panel and drop them onto your canvas. Arrange them in a way that logically mirrors your workflow process. Connect these nodes by drawing lines between them to establish the sequence of operations. Take your time here because how you design your automation will determine how efficiently the task gets executed. After arranging your nodes to match your desired workflow, it's time to save your automation. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the interface, and click it. This step ensures all your hard work is stored safely and can be accessed whenever needed. Now you're one step away from seeing your automation in action. Finally, to bring your setup to life, you need to execute the automation you've just created. Find the option to run or execute your workflow, often found next to the Save button. Click it and watch as your automation goes to work. You can monitor its progress and performance within the interface, making adjustments as necessary for optimal performance. And that's it. You've successfully registered on the Gumloop website and created your first automation. With practice, you'll get even more proficient at designing intricate workflows that can save you time and streamline your processes. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your automation skills. Happy automating!